Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Easter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate these bunny ears. This is a Dollar Tree project, so all this stuff is from Dollar Tree. The flowers are from Dollar Tree, the ears are from Dollar Tree, and the fur is from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you guys how to decorate these for Easter tomorrow. Kind of a last minute project, really fun to do, really quick, really easy. Let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. For this tutorial, you will need a pair of bunny ears, some flowers, glue, and these fur strips that I got from Dollar Tree. All of this stuff I got is from Dollar Tree except for the glue, and you can get tacky glue at Dollar Tree, but this one I got from Joann. I think I'm going to use the green fur for this. I think the green looks really Easter and very festive, and Jack likes it. So this actually bends, so you can shape it to fit your ears. So I've already done that, and now I'm just going to glue it on. You'll have a little extra left of this fur, so what I'm going to do is just wrap it around. They have a ton of these flowers at Dollar Tree, and I decided to get pink. Pick whatever color you want, and what you're going to do is just take the flower off the stem and you're just going to glue it on your headpiece. And you'll also have to cut this off, so you'll just take some scissors and snip the end off, and then you'll just glue all these on your headband.